This is our best option here, Graham. Look at this! Absolutely incredible. Now this hyena is in deep trouble. It's going to need more hyena clan members to come back and save it, otherwise it could be killed. I'm going to try and reposition. We've got no signal here. In front of him. There we go. They've still been just continuously harassing this one hyena. It's in deep, deep trouble. It really does need more clan members to arrive, otherwise I fear it is going to be killed. There's other hyena calling all around us. There are a few hyena in the general area. So I'm just going to start the vehicle because the hyena was trying to seek refuge under our vehicle, which is a position where we didn't really want to be in. It sounds like they've got another hyena up ahead. This is absolutely insane. I've never seen anything like this before. I've seen wild dog attack hyena. Just need to switch off and listen. I can hear Jamie approaching now, which is good news. And just like that, and phenomenal sighting that was, to be in the right place at the right time to witness something like that. We are all hugely, hugely fortunate. Whew, wow.